This is the first Sunday of the month, so it's time for the monthly draw. I no longer use a big bucket full of names. I do it the modern way. I do it electronically, which I think is much fairer because everybody's got an equal chance of winning because your name goes in fresh every week. So I'm going to go upstairs, play with the computer and see if I can generate a name. Right Lewis, all you need to do is send me an email, that's my email up there, and I'll get in touch and we'll get these things sent off here as soon as possible. I'm going to do another draw next month. All you've got to do to enter the draw is obviously watch the video, subscribe to my channel, share and like the video, and then in the comments box you need to write 2023 give away 5. My computer will pick up on those on that phrase and pull a name out at random. I'm going to show the prize that we've got in for this month's draw now. This is part of the prize for next month's draw. It was given to me by a lad who had no use for it. A couple of V-blocks, 2 clamps and 2 parallels. I have already got all this gear, so this will just sit in the bottom of the drawer and probably never get used. It has got a little bit of surface rust on it, which will clean up quite nicely. It certainly isn't too far gone. So that's part of the prize anyway. The other part of the prize is a set of the Cleveland drills. I use these all the time, that are a good drill. And I haven't got any Doubleboost cups left. I have to see my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma and get some more. But I have got a Make a Metal YouTube cup. There's an interesting YouTube channel, this friend of mine, certainly worth having a look. He does lots of fabrication work. He's a really good welder. Have a look at his channel, give him a little bit of support.